Do your legs still feel sore or weak even after a full night's rest? If you're over 50, there's one overlooked reason. Your muscles aren't getting the overnight support they need to recover. But what if a simple drink after dinner could help? Rebuild your leg strength while you sleep? Feel the fatigue in your legs at the end of the day. Maybe a lingering stiffness or soreness from activity. You sit down, expecting rest to bring recovery. But sometimes you wake up feeling not quite refreshed, wondering if your muscles are truly repairing while you sleep. You focus on what you eat during the day, or how much you exercise, but overlook the many hours spent fasting overnight, a crucial window when your body works on repair, and when your muscles need specific support to rebuild and strengthen. What if there was just one simple, natural drink you could have after dinner that is scientifically shown to help your leg muscles recover more effectively and build strength while you sleep? Actively fighting against age-related muscle loss? How can a specific beverage consumed before bed profoundly influence your leg muscle health and strength during those vital hours of rest? If you knew exactly what this one powerful drink is, how it specifically benefits aging leg muscles overnight, and how incorporating it into your nightly routine could enhance recovery, support muscle repair, and contribute to maintaining leg strength and vitality as you age, would you make it a habit? Let's explore this together. Did you realize that the long period of nighttime sleep is actually a critical time for your body to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, particularly in your legs after a day of use? And that providing specific nutritional support during this window is essential for optimizing this process and preventing age-related muscle loss? It's not your imagination that recovery feels slower as you age. As you get older, factors like decreased production of growth hormone during sleep, increased inflammation, and less efficient nutrient delivery can impact your muscles' ability to repair microscopic damage from activity and synthesize new protein, while exercise provides the stimulus for growth, and daytime protein provides building blocks. The overnight fast means your muscles aren't receiving a fresh supply of amino acids when they need them most for prolonged repair. This subtle challenge to your leg muscles' overnight recovery, often ignored when focusing only on daytime habits, is quietly contributing to that creeping weakness, slower bounce back after activity, and the feeling that your legs aren't as resilient as they used to be. Have you ever woken up feeling unexpectedly sore or tired in your legs? Felt like your recovery is slower than it should be? Or wondered if the hours you spend sleeping could be working for your leg muscles, not just passively passing? This isn't just random age-related change. It points to the metabolic state of your body and the nutritional needs of your muscles during that prolonged fasting window, and how effectively you're supporting them. It's frustrating, isn't it? When you're doing everything right during the day, but your body still wakes up feeling tired and stiff. Doctors and trainers often emphasize daily protein and exercise, but the targeted strategy of leveraging the pre-sleep or post-dinner window with a specific drink and its scientifically proven impact on enhancing overnight muscle recovery and strength in aging legs is not always highlighted. Yet, understanding and implementing this one specific drink after dinner holds a key to maximizing muscle support, fighting sarcopenia, and maintaining leg strength while you sleep. The critical importance of supporting muscle recovery and providing nutrients that aid repair and reduce inflammation during the overnight period, particularly to enhance leg strength recovery and prevent age-related muscle loss, is now a significant area of research. Muscles during sleep are primarily in a repair and growth phase. Issues like insufficient amino acid availability, poor sleep quality, or unresolved inflammation often function in the background. There are no blaring sirens signaling that your leg muscles aren't getting the support they need. This lack of support gradually undermines your body's ability to recover and rebuild muscle effectively until the cumulative effects become noticeable: slower recovery from activity, difficulty gaining or maintaining leg muscle mass, or that creeping feeling of weakness and reduced physical capability. Think of your body like a construction crew. If the workers don't have the right tools at night, the repair work slows down. And that's what happens when muscles don't get the nutrients they need during sleep. A startling truth revealed by studies: consuming specific nutrients before bed that enhance sleep quality and provide anti-inflammatory benefits can significantly improve overnight muscle recovery and contribute to better leg strength maintenance over time. The worst thing isn't even that slower recovery occurs or muscle loss happens. It's that many seniors don't realize how powerful one simple, scientifically supported drink after dinner can be in supporting their leg muscle health and strength while they sleep. This one click could make all the difference. If you or someone you care about is over 50, wants to enhance their leg strength recovery, prevent overnight muscle loss, and maximize their body's natural muscle building processes while they sleep, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell before we proceed with this life-altering information about the one drink to have after dinner to boost leg strength while you sleep. Every week we offer important health insights like this one that could significantly raise your standard of living, physical capability, and ability to recover effectively from activity. Our upcoming video might be just what you or a loved one needs to hear to wake up feeling stronger and more recovered in their legs. So don't miss it. Are you prepared to discover the powerful post-dinner drink for overnight leg strength? Get ready. And I want to know whether you're with me if you're still watching. If this video resonates with you, if you've felt poor leg recovery, creeping weakness, or wondered about optimizing your nutrition to support your leg muscles overnight, tell me on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being very poor, 10 being excellent. How would you rate your current leg muscle recovery after physical activity? Share your number in the comments below. The uplifting discovery: you can support your leg muscle health 24 hours a day by providing the right nutrition at night. The idea that you must accept slower recovery with age is being challenged by new research. According to multiple studies, consistently consuming certain drinks before bed improves sleep and reduces inflammation, creating a better environment for muscle repair. One specific drink stands out for its dual benefits: enhancing sleep and reducing inflammation. Unlike sugary bedtime drinks or teas that may interfere with sleep, Tart cherry juice works with your body's natural rhythms. Researchers today understand that while the overnight period is crucial for muscle repair, the efficiency of that repair in aging legs can be dramatically influenced by this scientifically proven drink. What is it? Tart cherry juice. This natural beverage is a powerhouse for overnight recovery due to its unique composition. Tart cherry juice is one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Drinking it has been shown to increase melatonin levels, improving both sleep quality and duration. Deep sleep is when your body releases growth hormone, essential for muscle repair and growth. By promoting better sleep, Tart cherry juice indirectly supports your leg muscles' ability to repair and rebuild overnight. It's also rich in anti-inflammatory compounds like anthocyanins and phenolics. These help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which otherwise hinder muscle repair. By reducing inflammation and enhancing sleep, Tart cherry juice creates the perfect environment for your leg muscles to recover. Rebuild and stay strong. How to use it? Drink 8 to 10 ounces, 240 to 300 milliliters, of 100% tart cherry juice after your evening meal. Ideally 1 to 2 hours before bed. Choose a reputable brand with no added sugar. Consistency is key. Drink it nightly for best results. This simple, enjoyable routine gives your body natural melatonin and powerful anti-inflammatories, directly benefiting the strength and recovery of your leg muscles while you sleep. Don't wait until soreness sidelines you, or weakness keeps you from the activities you enjoy. Drinking tart cherry juice after dinner is a powerful, scientifically supported habit to improve recovery, reduce soreness, and maintain leg strength. Remember, this drink works best alongside good daily protein intake, regular movement, and healthy sleep habits. But even on its own, it can make a noticeable difference. Please subscribe and hit the bell if you found this helpful. Our next video reveals 3 morning routines that help seniors live longer, stronger lives. Don't miss it. And now that you know the secret, how soon after dinner will you try drinking tart cherry juice to support your leg strength while you sleep? Share in the comments below.